This is the Rizos Curls Pink White Tooth Comb and is perfect for styling. It helps you part your hair to achieve fun, curly, cute looks. It will section your hair with ease and minimize breakage while styling. It's perfect for any hair type, and it's super convenient to throw in your purse and just take with you on the go. I'm gonna demonstrate how I use the Rizos Curls Pink White Tooth Comb to part my hair in order to do my low bun hairstyle with bangs. All done. So this is how I use the Rizos Curls Pink White Tooth Comb to part my hair right down the middle, leave my bangs out, and I did low space buns.